Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to turn off data saver mode in your Facebook Messenger app if someone app just toggle it on and it like affect your internet speed and you want to toggle it off. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, open up your Facebook Messenger app, and after that just click on these two lines on the top left, and here you get a gear in front of your username. Just simply tap on that gear and then just scroll a little bit, and here you get the option of data server in preferences section. So let me highlight that option, this one, just simply tap on it, and like here if someone just toggle on that option, in order to turn off data saver mode, just simply toggle off that option. So like in this way you can turn off data saver mode on Facebook Messenger app. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.